Hey girly girls, and welcome back to Tailor Made Beauty Room. So today's video is going to be another beauty room update. So without further ado, let's roll right in. Okay, so as you can see, I've still got some items left out from my previous video, some gorgeous books. I did a couple of videos on these books at various times. There's some more over here. That bag there is just a part of a haul that I did from TK Maxx. And over here, as you can see, there's another book, gorgeous book. I'm absolutely in love with this. And also over here, I've got this brand new bag charm, and I think it's so cute. Let me just turn that around so you can see that. Don't you think that charm is absolutely stunning? So yeah, as I was saying to you, this is going to be a beauty room update. I mean, my beauty room is not in the best of conditions. I still need to move some bags around and move things around a little bit, but I'm really excited to update you with some beauty room news. So as you will recall from previous videos, if you've watched my videos before, I've been trying to, for the longest time, to arrange my closet. So over here, I'm happy with how this looks here. I'm happy with this middle section here. But over here, I actually decided that I kind of wanted to emulate what I have here and over here. So what I've done so far, let me just open these closet doors for you. As you can see, I've almost emptied this closet. To be honest with you, I don't know why I left this one remaining dress hanging up, but I do need to remove it. And I think I've left a couple of belts in there and a bag. I just need to, I think maybe I didn't get to finish because maybe I was going out. And then up top there as well, because over on this side over here, you will see that I have a lot of bags up there, but I also have bags elsewhere as well. But up there I've got some clothes. So basically I'm going to finish removing all of that, and then I'm going to put them into another closet that I actually have. So, and I can't believe I didn't think to do this before. I have another closet in another room, but that closet contains my non-pink items, and you know, so I'm going to finish clearing this up, and then I'm going to start arranging my bags in another room. So I'll have basically two closets. So in fact, I have more than two closets, because technically speaking, this is a closet here. This middle section is here. That is a closet as well. And also these doors either side. So let me step back, take a step back. These two doors there either side are also closets, but they actually go round into the corner. So they, you know, if I stand further back, it will make more sense. If you see the depth of this closet here to my left, that has my bags on, the single door there actually goes further back behind that closet, and the same goes for that side there as well. So I do have an awful lot of closet space, which to be fair is really a woman's prerogative. But what I'm going to do now is take you into my bedroom and show you my other closet. So let's get into that. Okay, so this is my other closet that I was speaking to you about. It's a nice closet area. By the way, I'm not going to be opening up all of these doors, because the doors here on this side, the items in there are in such a huge mess. And this is quite a tall closet. I don't know if you can see, because this is a very, very tall room. And then, yeah, so that's an absolute mess. So I will not be going into there, but I will share with you a little bit of this closet here. So as you can see, I have items hung up there, and then there's more room at the top for other items, which, to be honest, I kind of threw up there from after removing them from my other closet. There's a lot of space up there. I may even be able to get some shelving units put in there, so then I can display some bags up there. I don't know that I'm going to remove the doors like I have done in my other closet, but as you can see, I've just got a whole host of stuff down here. So let's move along to this other closet. So this closet I have only just started to arrange, and as you can see, I have so many items there. Again, things just thrown there. I've emptied some of these shelving units already, so they're already ready to, you know, display some really gorgeous bags. And as you can see, it goes up to the top. There's some of my Christmas decor up there. And so yeah, there really is a hell of a lot of space there. So let me open up this side. This side here again has more closet space for my clothing. And again, this closet goes quite far back. I don't know if you can see how far it does go back. And so yeah, there's definitely a lot of room for improvement here, but I'm really most excited of doing these blocks here, these cubes here, because I can display so much stuff in here, and it's going to be so much easier for me to find stuff, especially now I'm opening up that beauty room space in my beauty room. But it will almost be like having two beauty rooms, really. But obviously this room, probably this closet won't be as aesthetically pleasing as my other one, because I'm not sure that I'm going to put all of my pink bags in this closet. I may keep this closet as a normal closet with normal colour bags. So all of my black bags and a lot of my Louis Vuitton bags, which are brown. I mean, don't get me wrong, I do have some Louis Vuitton bags over in my my other closet. But yeah, I just wanted to share with you how what this is going to look like. And obviously, once I clear out these closets that are actually ahead of me, it's just going to be amazing. And to be honest with you, I'm not even sure, maybe I will remove some of these doors, because I'm just thinking it really is nice to walk into a room and just see everything that you need. And yeah, and there's a lot of space in here too. So yeah, but let's head on back over to my other closet. So yeah, as I was saying, obviously this side is gorgeous, this side is gorgeous. I need to order some new hangers. I did get these pearl hangers from Amazon. I have some here and I have some over here. Some of them are actually slightly different. Some have pink bows on, and I think the ones that have pink bows on I actually got from, I want to say, Primark. So over here I'll definitely be getting some more hangers, so then I can put some more pink clothing up there and some bags up there, and obviously get some more bag display cube. I call them bag display cubes. I don't know what the real name for these are. I may even get another glass top like this from IKEA. And yeah, I think I'm just really want to dress up this space and make it totally pink, because I think with these doors open, just like these are open over here, with these doors removed, I think it will really open up this beauty room space. I'm trying to stand far back enough for you to kind of get an image of how it's going to look. So I'll have sort of like three facets, the one on the left, the one in the middle, and then this one over here. And I'm even trying to find myself a gorgeous little island to put in the middle. I really feel that I need to up my beauty room game. I've been watching YouTubers like Thanya and SL Miss Glam, and their closets and beauty rooms are so amazing. And you know, mine is on a much smaller scale, but I think because I have the height in this beauty room, I can get away with a lot more, because the beauty room area is quite, I mean, even up there, really, I'm not utilising that space. I could very easily get some shelves up there, or over here on this side, I could get some shelves up here too. So yeah, I really do think I need to make much better use of this space. Yeah, so that's basically it. This weekend, I shall be free to go, and I'm hoping to pick up some more of these cubes and then really start to do this beauty room, and want to take you guys along with me for the journey, because honestly, I think this section of my beauty room is my favorite, although I have this gorgeous display over here with all of my makeup products and beauty products, and even up here with all of my favorite wallets and purses and stuff. I just think I just need to do something now just to elevate my room just a little bit more, and just generally have like a little bit of a change. I just want a very obvious change, so that when me and my girls come up here for a drink, because we tend to come up here and take photographs when we're going out and stuff, it's just a nice space to be in. And I think to do this side of my closet as well, I think it's going to look amazing. So yes, that's basically it for this video. If you have any other ideas for me or suggestions what I can do to elevate this beauty room space, please by all means, you know, drop me a message in the comments, because I'm definitely open to all ears. Do you think an island would be a little bit too small for this room? Would you, oh sorry, not too small, too big for this room, in fact. Do you think I should paint this door white as well to go more with the aesthetic? I'm already thinking about totally redecorating the walls in here, making them white and getting some gorgeous wainscoting put up here. It's really dark down there at the moment, but I just feel painting these walls white will really elevate this space. But I'm really not sure whether I should do that or not, so please give me your thoughts and your opinions. I really do appreciate your comments. But yeah, that's it basically for this video. If you enjoyed this video, you know exactly what to do. Please give this video a thumbs up. Please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. But for now, ta-ta for now.